Avery, it's another faux rabbit. Okay, now, when we go across this bridge, I need you to, yeah, you follow right behind him, okay? Because you're a little bit big for me to jump in. They're looking for a deer, Avery.
Where?
Look on that tree.
Oh.
That's kind of creepy, isn't it?
Yeah. Creepy.
Avery, do you see anything? I want you to look over here and tell me what you see.
No deer.
I want you to look right over there. What is that? Do you see a color? Do you see a color? It's a deer. What kind of a deer is it? Let's see if it's... it's not quite as peppy as the ones at our house. It's a little...
Buck.
That's right. Great job, buddy.
I think it's a 9-pointer.
You think so? You probably are not far from being off.